Alright guys, it's checkout time. I'm going to train station. These trains are very small. I just hit my... From Da Nang, I'm gonna go to Hanoi, to the capital city of Vietnam, looking for my Grab driver, the boy helping me with the luggage. Yes?
Do you want to book her?
No, I have it. This one already over there. This car over there. Everybody are so friendly here. Oh, just be careful on the motorways. This is the same driver what yesterday. So cool. Alright, just arrived to the train station. Looks like a kind of simple train station. However, I have a business class in the train. So today's will be travel vlog from Da Nang to Hanoi. And yeah, I don't know what to expect. Never traveled in Asia by trains yet. So that's gonna be my very first time. In Vietnam, they have vending machines also. For 10,000 you have a Coke. Take it. What's going on? Broken? Okay, take it. Number 46. And if I'm already here, a little sightseeing of the train station. This is like an old train. It's called lokomotywa in Polish language. Forgot my English, pardon me. With the Vietnamese flag on it. That's actually really interesting. You have a machine here, fancy. I'm checked in and that was easier than I was expecting, and there is only one train going today anyway, so easy. Alright, train arrived, everybody rushed to their coaches. Some people leaving. This train is coming from Saigon, Ho Chi Minh up to Hanoi. So it's like a 36 hours long trip if you want. And I'm looking for my coach 10. This is where I'm heading, and this train looks exactly the same like old trains in my country, in Poland. So it'll be fun. Inside the train, waiting for my room. Alright, so that's my coach, my bed over here where are the bags. This train is the business class, the most expensive ticket what you could buy in Vietnamese railway. This train gonna go for 18 hours from Da Nang to Hanoi, to capital city of Vietnam, and I believe that's gonna be very exciting trip. Not sure if it's anyone around here. Seems like somebody was trying to sleep here, but I don't see any bags, so maybe it's just left over, maybe somebody left. I hope so I'm gonna be alone here, but if not, it's okay. That's gonna be for sure adventure. Also, interesting fact, you can go by plane and the money will be pretty the same. You can have a coach, also just the seat, but imagine 18 hours. And if you're traveling from Ho Chi Minh City to from Saigon, Ho Chi Minh City to Hanoi is 36 hours trip. So I just took it for the adventure, and let's see. The window is a little bit dirty, but I'm gonna try to show you the beautiful landscapes from the train on the way. Equipment, you have little light here, even it's working. Thermometer, so it's 31 degrees. That's really hot. I thought this will be aircon and little socket, so you can charge it. And it's actually, I could say it's pretty clean. Just arrived, the shop is coming, many stuff, buns, banh mi? Oh, corn, yeah, no, one cola, yeah, no, this one, yeah. Alright, look at the ice, so nice. No, the Coca-Cola, the red one. Only this. Oh, okay, no problem. I take this one. Okay. Driving. I'm alone here, so it's cool. I hope so. It's gonna stay like that because 4 people depends. Well, depends on the situation, right? And just got cool. This lovely guy gonna sleep with me.
No.
Okay, no video. Okay, no problem. Only this one. I'm recording myself. Coke. Always remember, good to drink.
Whenever you're lonely, just pick up the phone and call me. I'll be there. Girl, let me
the guy was sleeping for 2 hours, so he go, I can talk a little bit around. The view from the train is how it is, how you saw it. The window is alright. Window is a little bit dirty, so I'm so sorry about that. 3 hours, yeah, 2.5. First station gonna be soon. I should arrive to Hanoi at 8 or 9, so that's also very long journey. Maybe I need to go to toilet, so I'll show you how does it look like. And so far so good, nobody is still next to me, so except this guy who is sleeping there. So it's all is good. Problem is no Wi-Fi here, so you can get a little bit bored. Signal is sometimes it is, sometimes no. They are the tuners. So this is the one of the first station. Very local vibe, that's for sure. Almost we can buy some sort of noodles. And this is the worker, the uniform. And Sayang here with me today. Hi Sayang. Hi Indy.
Hi uncle, say hi uncle. Hi uncle. Hi uncle. How are you?
Good, how are you Sayang? Alright, so I'm alone again, so I can photo peacefully. It's already sunset time, it's on the almost sunset time, and probably you will ask me why I go by train if it's 18 hours and why if I feel safe and everything. Okay, honestly I feel safe, especially when I'm alone here. I feel very comfortable. Maybe if somebody will join me, like will be this, so it will be hard for me to talk and make this video, and I will have to sit upstairs actually because my bed is upstairs. But in general I feel very safe. Of course now if I want to go to toilet or somewhere, I need to take at least my backpack with me because, you know, laptop stuff like this. Definitely different experience, and that's why I'm coming, driving by this train for the experience, guys. Of course I couldn't, like I took from Ho Chi Minh to Da Nang, and also I gonna back to Ho Chi Minh from Hanoi because flights to Bali are only from Saigon, from Ho Chi Minh, so I'm taking the plane. But for the experience and watching how it looks Vietnam, half of the Vietnam, like 800 kilometers from the window. Okay, there will be night, but at least I can see for a few hours. It's very good experience, and for this experience I'm definitely took this train, not for the car. It's not even cheaper, it's actually the same price like the flight, but the experience is definitely different, right? So you know the answer. And so, well, I'm gonna have to try to grab some dinner. I hope so I'm gonna find something, and because I think that I saw that they're selling something. And then, well, also some of you guys ask me, and I know so many people doing that way, is renting or buying the scooter or motorbike in Saigon and traveling by bike, by motorbike to Hanoi. It is possible. I was thinking to do it, but as you know, I'm married and my wife is simply worried about us. You know how is it, the traffic conditions and everything in Vietnam. I think it's actually good idea if you know, like you are single and you are still young and you don't have any responsibilities or anything. So it's totally different, but like this. And also well, this is different experience. Actually, you know, if you drive, you cannot really film too much. It's almost not possible, except you record only using the GoPro. Also, you are very tight. My friend is just right now driving the same way by the motorbike from the Saigon up to Hanoi. And honestly, after 2 weeks, he's like exhausted. He did this already second time in his life. First time he was 3 years ago, and he's like nearly giving up because it looks so good when you are watching it, but it's so hard when you are making it actually, you know, guys. So yeah, but also most of the people will do the way how I did it. So with the flights, eventually train, not many people actually will take a bike and drive it. So I think that eventually this is the best idea. Also traveling alone at night, by night, in the train is a little bit challenging, guys. Actually, I read stories as even traveling by couple or with the group of the 3 people or 4 people who can take this full entire room by yourself is challenging. And now imagine I'm doing this by myself. Also, nobody speaks English here, so that's so funny actually. But that's the real. But this is what is the real adventure, guys. Right, currently I'm alone here, so this is the top bed. It's quite hard to get there actually, because you have to put your leg here and jump here and sleep here. Also it's more cooler because the aircon is actually over here. When I come was 32 degrees, now it's 26. It's much better. This is the place where you put your luggage. I'm still very lucky as I'm alone here. I have to repeating that all the time. So this one is definitely much more comfortable. However, this one is more safer because you can put your backpack over there and sleep, and it will be hard to somebody gonna grab something from you. But this one, when you're gonna sleep and you are tired, you can lose, and then somebody can open. That's why I always have a special carabiner here, and that's why I booked this bed over here. Also, you can lock the door like I make it right now, so nobody should come. However, if the guy who knows as this place is empty, I'm only the one, and he work here, wanna sleep, what you can do, he have a lot of keys. I saw he can open any door in this train. And now I'm gonna try to demonstrate you how to get up. It's not easy, but I will try. Like this. Then you sleep. Like this. You also have to be careful if you are a foreigner like me. These trains are very small. I just hit my... Also, if you have a lot of luggage, remember there is not that much space, and also the corridor is very small. And everything in Vietnam is generally small. I didn't even buy clothes yet. I heard in Hanoi it's very cold and I don't have any jacket, so I will let you know if I have to buy it. However, if I have so many Grab drivers with the motorbike Grab bikes, and mostly I couldn't zip my helmet pin together because it was too small, or my head is just too big. So keep it in mind. It's so much fun in Vietnam, guys. Hence I have so much time. Let's talk about the money in Vietnam. If you ever thought that Bali have a big money, check this out, the Vietnamese money. This is 500,000 dongs, this one, and it's equivalent of about 22 American dollars, guys. It's 200,000 dongs, and it's like 850, 880, 100,000 dongs. It is 450 about. 20,000 dongs, 70 cents. Unfortunately, I'm missing the 50k note, guys. Sorry about that. 10,000 dongs, this is like 45 cents. Let's say 50 cents. Also very similar to the 100k note. So we have to be very careful with that. 5,000, this one is like, let's say 25 cents American, quarter of dollar. Missing 2k, but this is 1k and this is 5 cents. I don't think so they have a coins. I didn't got any coins yet. So, and also each note represents something at the back. There is like I don't know what is it. This is elephant. This is some sort of ocean thing. This bridge, actually I was yesterday in Hoi An. This Japanese bridge is on 20,000 note. There is some sort of temple, and this is like a rocks, very popular spot I heard in Vietnam. And this one, my position right now, middle of Vietnam, just very close to the border with Laos. My train started 3:15 from Da Nang here, and I'm just here, and it says 7:30. The trolleys looks like this. The lady don't want me to record, but yeah, that's how it looks like. And the corridor looks like this. It's very small, like I said. I don't know if that's gonna be my dinner. However, Coke, 15,000, chips, 10,000. The snack, I'm looking for another trolley. Maybe it will be more like with some food. Alright, so far so good. It's 9 p.m. Train should arrive to Hanoi in 12 hours from now. 6 hours already passed. So I think I'm gonna sleep slowly. I mean, I'm not sure if I'm ever gonna sleep tonight. However, take a rest. Backpack is just behind me. My bag is under the bed, so should be fine. But I can say, I also lock the door, but they always opening somebody, I don't know why. That's how it is. Okay, thank you. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I tried to record the trolley and I got some food. I don't know, I have no idea what this is. Anyways, the soup looks like this. Actually, it's hot. Looks like a very nice. Looks very nice. And this is like a rice, I think, overcooked rice with chicken. Alright, let's try. I really hope that tomorrow I will be no sick or anything. I think it's no something like Vietnam belly, right? Like in Bali we have a Bali belly, but in Vietnam should be alright. I hope so. It's not spicy too much at this. Cheers. Yeah, it's like a rice, like I said. It's not spicy. That's at least is good. So you can have a food in the Vietnamese trains. Little upgrade, guys. Seems like I'm alone here. It's already like 10:30 or 11:30 actually. So I will probably sleep a little bit and see you when I arrive to Hanoi. Also the temperature, I don't know if you can see, is 24 right now. It was a little bit cold for a moment, almost 20 degrees in the train, so also keep it in mind, but they have a nice blankets. So. Alright, it's like a good morning. It's like a 7 in the morning. Now I'm just wake up. I think the train stopped. Hold on a second, I'll show you. Train stopped somewhere. I don't know where. Something in 1, maybe 2 hours should arrive in Hanoi. It's very close already on the map, so it's actually not so bad to sleep. I fall asleep around 11 and up to 2 o'clock was like so hard sleep, so nice. I mean, like I didn't wake up at all, but then every hour somebody was coming and opening the door even they are locked. I mean, there's somebody who work here, right? But they just open and close, so I don't know what they were looking for. Almost arrived. 1 hour, 2 hours. And the view from outside, I don't know where we are. About 10 kilometers to Hanoi railway station. And the music from the speakers in the train sounds very, This is it, guys. Just arrived in Hanoi railway station, and well, that was a very long journey, guys. I have to find a hotel. And this is how does it look like on the railway station, Northern Hall. Looking for my taxi. I think this white car who is approaching me is my taxi now. Alright, just arrived to this hotel. It's called Babylon, something Babylon. I will show you more later. This is already Vietnam Live, Hanoi. Looking for Starbucks because I have a very long video to upload. First day from the, Definitely more people speak English here. That's what I already realized. Especially the receptionist was like so talkative. Check-in unfortunately at 12. She will let me in. So okay, I will have to upload the video. That was the very long journey, guys. This will be very interesting videos from Hanoi, capital city of Vietnam. Let me know in the comment section if you will do the train trip, how I did, especially alone, solo, like I made, or maybe no, or maybe you just take a plane. And well, I will see you later. Thank you so much for watching and be ready for the Hanoi adventure, guys.